Hey guys, welcome to our Tech for Our Mind. My name is Mohit Vashne, and in today's video, I have come with the two mega hiring update. First is coming from Maruti Suzuki company. So company has announced all India test hiring, and company is offering you 10 LP salary. And second hiring is coming from Nelson company. So company is hiring for all the fresh graduate. So I will explain you each and everything, like what is the selection procedure, how to apply, what is the qualification required. So make sure you watch the video till the end and check out the other hiring also, because multiple companies hiring is still ongoing, like Wireflow and Netcore. So do check out. Now talking about the first hiring update, it is coming from Nelson company. So currently company is hiring for data processing analyst position, and for this position company is offering you approximate 3.4 LP salary. Company has already mentioned. So do check out. Talking about the qualification first. So company has mentioned if you have done bachelor degree from CSIT branch, commerce, or from business information, then you are eligible for this hiring. Talking about the passing batch, so company has not mentioned any specific batch. So if you are going to pass out in 24 batch, or you are already passed out in 23 batch, 22 batch, then also you are eligible for this hiring. And there is a no marks criteria. If you have less than 60% marks in your 10, 12 or graduation, post graduation, then also you are eligible for this hiring. Now talking about how to apply. So to apply purpose, you have to just click on I am interested option, and after that you have to fill all the required detail, like your full name, email address, education profile, and all our basic details you can fill. And if you face any difficulty while filling a form, then please ask your query in comment section or Telegram or Instagram. I will definitely help you. So this is the first hiring update. Talking about the second hiring update, that is coming from Maruti Suzuki company. So as I mentioned, company has announced all India test for the role of research and development, and company is offering you two package on the basis of your degree. And if you have done BE BTech, then company is offering you 10.34 LP salary. And if you have done ME MTech, then company is offering you 10.9 LP salary. So package will depend upon your qualification, and for this role there is a marks plus branch criteria also. So company has mentioned you must have at least 65% marks in your 10, 12 diploma or BE BTech, or if you have done ME MTech, then only 60% marks is required. Talking about the branch, so if you have done your BE BTech or ME MTech from electrical branch, mechanical, automobile, mechatronic, electronic, computer science, data science or AI/ML, then only you are eligible for this hiring. And most important point, for this role there is a experience requirement. Company has mentioned if you have at least 12 month or 22 month experience, then you are eligible for this hiring. And if you have done any internship or training or apprenticeship, then also it will count in your experience. So if you have at least 12 month experience, then you are eligible for this hiring. You can apply. Now talking about how to apply. So to apply purpose, I will attach apply link in video description. Just click on the link, and you have to click on login to apply option. And after that you have to log in on company website and fill all the required details. And if you face any difficulty while filling a form, then you can ask your query in comment section or Telegram. I will definitely help you. So do check out and apply. And that's all for today. I hope this video helped you. Thank you and goodbye.